Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you on how to change the language for message translation in the Viber app on your phone. If you often chat with people who speak different languages, adjusting the translation settings can make your conversations much easier and clearer. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on More located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Calls and Messages. Look for the message translation option and tap on it. This section allows you to choose the language into which your messages will be translated. After that, you will see a list of available languages. Select the language you want your messages to be translated into by tapping on it. Once you have made your selection, finalize your choice by clicking the OK icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Finally, your message translation language is set, and now Viber will translate incoming messages into the language you selected. This feature helps you understand messages from friends, family, or colleagues who speak other languages, making communication much smoother. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved chatting experience on Viber.